Welcome to Modular Hippo, the channel where I am trying to build a 36-foot aluminium sailboat. In this episode I am just showing the week that has gone and some progress I have made around the aft footstep, as well as picking up a couple of new bulkheads. So let's take a look. Good afternoon. Another material pickup, so I'm off to pick up the footstep plate that has been laser cut, and that will allow me to push forward with the aft step. And I'm also picking up a new bulkhead that's been welded. It's actually two bulkheads, but one is too big to get into this van, so I can only pick one up at the moment, and I will figure out how to get the other one at a later stage. So let's take a look. So it looks really good. The question is now, have I designed it correctly? Are all the holes and spacings and everything in the right place, and will it fit within the actual tubing? I guess we'll find out. This is with the tube, so I think we can definitely work with this one. So all good so far. And now heading to pick up the bulkhead. So I mentioned there's two bulkheads, but I don't think I'll get the other one with me, but let's see how it goes. If there is a will, there is a way. One bulkhead in the van and one bulkhead on top of the van. It's strapped to the solar panel, so hopefully the solar panel frame is strong enough, and hopefully the actual bands I'm using is not going to be chafing off against the sharp surface of the aluminium plate and snap. That's happened to me before, so I'm going to drive really slow because I have stuff sticking out, and it looks like this. So nothing I'm proud of, probably not very law-abiding as well, but let's drive slowly. I must admit it feels a little bit hairy to driving this on the roof, but I am halfway home now, so hope for the best. Quick pit stop to make sure that all the ropes and tie-up stuff is in place. It doesn't seem to have moved, so I think we're good to do the other half. Hooray! I made it, and nothing came off. So I just need to get all of this down now and in the storage. Number one in storage. Now I just need to get number two off the roof. Number two down from the roof. That was interesting, a bit dangerous to be honest, but either way it's down. I just need to measure the height now to make sure it goes into the storage unit. And the second one in storage, and it fits perfectly. You had to go in diagonally through the actual door or port, but it fits within. So now we only have 3 bulkheads left. It's going to be really nice to see the end of the bulkheads. With the aft foot plate now tacked in shape, we can start to see how it's going to look, and so far so good. The idea is obviously that it's going to look like something like this when it's done, so all I have left to do is to weld this up properly, put some L profiles underneath to support the weight, and then I can cut the actual decking into length and attach that to the plate itself, and we should have something that looked like finish. Hopefully something I can show in the next episode. As always, thank you for watching this episode. If you're new to the channel and you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. If you have any comments, ideas, suggestions, worries, stick them in the comments and I will get back to you within 24 hours. If you are interested in the electrical motor build, there is a separate playlist for that, as well as there is a separate playlist for the actual components that I will be using on the boat itself. So until next time, have a great week and I'll see you soon.